In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the first letter of a name in Excel. We'll be using a simple Excel formula that quickly pulls just the first character from a cell. This is useful when you want initials, abbreviations, or a cleaner way to organize name data in a spreadsheet. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to get the first letter of a name. Once your workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the names are placed in cells A1 through A4. Having your data arranged clearly before you enter a formula makes the process much easier to follow. Next, we'll create a column for the result. Click cell B1 and type first letter. This will serve as the header for the new column, so you can clearly identify what the formula is returning. Now click cell B2. In this cell, type an equal sign, then the word left, followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter A2, then a comma, then the number 1, and finally a closing parenthesis. The completed formula should read as equals left open, parenthesis, A2, comma 1, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look at the text in cell A2 and return the leftmost character, which in this case is the first letter of the name. If your name is stored in a different cell, you can simply replace A2 with that cell reference. That makes the formula flexible and easy to use in different worksheets. Once you've entered the formula, press enter. Excel will immediately display the result. For example, if the name in A2 begins with the letter J, the result in B2 will be J. This confirms that Excel has extracted the first letter successfully. After that, you can copy the formula to the remaining rows so you don't have to type it again manually. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward to cell B4. As you drag the formula down, Excel automatically updates the cell references for each row. That means it will pull the first letter from each corresponding name in column A. This is one of the fastest ways to apply the same formula across multiple entries. And that's it. You've now learned how to get the first letter of a name in Excel using the left function. It's a quick, simple technique that can save time and make your spreadsheet data easier to work with.